Okay, so here's how to solve a cube. You might think it's like insanely hard, but it's not too hard. So, your first step is to make a cross shape like this. Right here, cross shape. This is the cross shape. And then, after you did that, you want to get a pair which looks like this. So I'll show you how to make it. Okay, so what you want to do is get your corner in the right spot. Use an algorithm. It's up, right, down, left. Up, right, down, left. Once you did that, and got it into the corner, and it looks like this. You want to do that. You want to do that until your corner is twisted this way. And then, if it doesn't, and then you put it up. If it doesn't line up like that, I'll show you what you do. Put this edge as far back as you can get it. Then, once you did that, take the piece out of there using up, right, down. Then use left, and then put your corner up, and you'll make a pair. And then you put in the pair. Once you got in the pair, just do that on all the sides. Once you did that, which might be hard, not. You want to get as many pairs as you can in there. So once you did that, oh, by the way, if you don't know how to insert it, all you have to do, put your pair back here, or if you got this side of the pair, and it doesn't go in using it, see it takes away the corner, do it from this side. Put that way up, that way down, and then that. And if you get the other direction, that it doesn't go in there, just do, and if you really can't do this, like it's really hard, there, like you can't do it, you're doing, you look up an algorithm and it's not working, this is a way to do it. Alright. Use this, which is just, you put it down, and move it to the side. You put that up, that to the side, and boom. Now, your job is to get a yellow cross, like it's like the white cross, but on the top, like yellow. So, what you want to do is try and get this. If you don't have that, you have this. Doesn't matter if the corners are up or they're down or they're twisted. You'll just do this. Turn that like that, and then you do the algorithm, up, right, down, left. And then you'll have the cross. I'll show you what else you can get. So the other thing you can get is this, and this is how to do that algorithm. Just twist it this way. Then you do a right down the left. Once you did that, once you did that, twist it around a few times. And what you want to get is make sure this is like that and that and like that. So you have 2 of these in the spot. If you have all of them, you skip that step. Or you got a lucky scramble. Or if it's like this, which I'll show you in a second, where they're across from each other. I can't get it, but where they're across from each other, then you'll do this in between there, this algorithm. If you don't know that algorithm, I'll show you it. Okay, so what you want to do is use this algorithm. Up, right, down, right, up, right, down. And it doesn't matter if all the corners are facing up. You just want to get all the corners in the right spot. So, like this. Yeah, if you don't have any of them, just do this from anywhere. It will work. If this doesn't work the first try, do it a few times. If you have all 4 corners, now the final step is to get them facing up. If they're already facing up, you skip the step of getting them up. But if you have some facing up, you don't. You just do this. If you have 4 not facing up, you do this. You twist this 1, 2, 3 times. And if you have 3, twist it 2. If you have 2, twist it 1 time. And then I have 4 like that. So I'm just gonna do this 1, 2, 3, and then do this. Flip it upside down. Then do that first algorithm up, right, down, left until you got the corner. Twisting that way, where the yellow, where they're in the right spot. Keep doing that, and make sure don't turn the cube like this. Just turn it like this. Keep going to the next corner and the next corner. Thanks for watching. If you're the 90% of people that aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Goodbye.